Happening live in UK, angry Nigerian youth chase Buhari out of Abuja house. Welcome to Tochi's channel. If it is your first time of stopping by or coming across this channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. I beg you for a favor. After watching, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell. In that way, you'll be able to know when I upload a new video. In this channel, I bring to you information about Germany for the sake of those who want to come here to work, to relocate, and also to study. I talk about motherhood and exactly what is happening in the whole world generally. Today, I take you to London, where angry Nigerian youth, like you can see here, massively protest against President Muhammadu Buhari. According to them, they say that the country is in a mess, in a critical condition. All Buhari could do is to come to London for medical assistance. What happens to medical hospitals in Nigeria? What happens in Nigerian hospital? Why can't he build a comfortable and a conducive hospital in Nigeria? Why must he travel to other man's country to seek for medical help? As this goes on, the Germans also are preparing to take more Nigerians back home. As I am speaking with you right now, I was thinking that maybe this pandemic will affect them, but no, it's not stopping them to do anything. And come to talk about it, the other day Buhari came to Germany. All he could say is this, that Germans do not have any right or reason to grant Nigerians political asylum. Why did he say such thing? Why would he say such thing while he knows that his country people are suffering? Look at what Boko Haram, Fulani herdsmen, bandit, look at what they are doing in Nigeria. Nigeria is the most unsecured place in the whole world right now, as I can say. Recently, there has been a new trending news about unknown gunmen who are going about dealing with people. This is what Buhari should settle. Buhari should work on the insecurity situation of Nigeria. He said he did not go to UK for medical attention. Rather, he went to patronize. You can imagine how many hospitals in Nigeria have he ever patronized? How many hospitals does Buhari family ever attended in Nigeria? If not, when mosquito bites them, either they go to Dubai or UK. So this is what is happening live and direct in UK. The Nigerian youth there said enough is enough. That if anybody in Nigeria cannot come to UK to receive treatment, therefore the president shouldn't come. That he should go home and build in his country. He should go home and repair his hospital, equip it so that when somebody is sick, the person will receive adequate treatment. And if you look at what they are asking here, you can agree with me that what they are saying is nothing but the truth. That is their right. Human beings have rights and opinion, and this is what we lack in Nigeria, and that is why the country is like this, because people are not allowed to express themselves. People are not allowed to say their opinion. People are not allowed to contribute anything in government. Rather, the government should contribute and send to us, and I found this as unusual and is not normal. So this happens live and direct in London, and I think I said I should bring it here so that you will know what is happening. For those Nigeria in Germany still seeking for political asylum, ever since Buhari came to this place, Buhari scattered everything because he told Angela Merkel, pop and plain, that anybody seeking for political asylum in Germany is taking his or her own risk, because there is nothing wrong with Nigeria, but yet people are suffering, people are dying, people are passing through hell in that country. I was shocked. I said, what type of human being are these? Even despite the fact that others are there asking Buhari to go home, there are also pro-Buhari group singing and lamenting, praising him. You can imagine, just because of the money they will give to them. You guys know in this channel I don't always put videos, but rather I give you the detail orally on what is happening. Some groups are there praising Buhari that he's doing well, that he should get quick recovering, while others are opposing him, telling him to go home and fix his country. If he must seek a medical attention, that it should be in his own country and not other country, which I think is right. So this is what is happening. And for Nigerians in Germany seeking for political asylum, you need to be careful, because believe me, they are not going to give you, because your president said that they should not, because there is no reason. But these people, they know everything. They know what is happening in Nigeria. They know how people are suffering. But because the president said nothing is happening, you say it becomes a domestic affair. So they don't have the full right to come into it. That is why they are refusing Nigerians seeking asylum in Germany. So if you're a Nigerian, I believe you must have had an authentic reason for you to be seeking for political asylum. If you don't have, I am sorry, they are not gonna give you, because your president said they shouldn't. I think the same thing applies to Ghana. That is why they deport Nigerians massively from Germany, because they feel that everything is okay with our country, not knowing that a lot of people are suffering right there. People are dying of hunger. People are passing through hell, but yet the president will not admit, just because it has not affected him. Anyway, my dear people, this is the one I said let me bring to you. This is happening live and direct in UK. Young, vibrant men and women, they came out to say that Buhari should leave the hospital. He should go back home and fix his country, which I think what they are doing is right for those that are singing praises to him. Very soon they are going to receive their work. They are going to receive the consequences of what they are doing, and I hope they are ready to face anything that will come out of it, because that money they are giving to them very soon is gonna finish. Let me see how they will come back and sing praises to Buhari. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if it is your first time of coming across this my channel, I beg of you, subscribe, put on your notification bell. Subscribing to this channel doesn't cost you nothing, only to put on your notification bell. I'll be bringing information about happening in Germany, information for the sake of those who want to come here to study, to work, to relocate, and also what is happening in the whole world. If you have any questions to ask me, please do not hesitate to ask me the question. And if you want to chat to me one-on-one, you can write me on Facebook with Linda Tochukwu Chukwueze or Messenger, so that it will be fasting. A lot of you have been asking me my number. I cannot display my number on the internet because of security reasons. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, share, and leave your thought and your opinion down below. Until we meet again, I will say bye-bye for now.